KSR Datapedia Vlog. Yeah, we are live premiere here, and today we are going to have each debate on computer. Yeah, a computer is a very fantastic device made by the human. Am I right, Kaushal?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so he's the owner of KSR Datapedia Vlog, Kaushal, and myself, the owner of Naman Tech Media, Naman. So Kaushal will have some few words.
Yes. Hi, Naman. I'm very proud to be here because you are a very good YouTuber on technology.
You too.
Yes. So I'm not having any words to expand the words I'm having. You are such a good YouTuber on technology.
Not like that. It's only full help with my friends, my parents, and with all my subscribers, my viewers support, and I hope the same with you.
Wow, thank you. So
You are also having a good success.
yes, but my subscription is lowing and increasing and decreasing. I have uploaded some videos on extreme points of India that all should know about our geography.
Okay, I will put this video in I button. Please see this video, and I will put this video in description box also.
Thank you. If you want the PDF file of all the information, please subscribe my channel. I will upload informative videos on India. You should know about our country.
Yeah, of course, because knowing about our country is very important, because we live in our country, and if somebody asks means
We should know about our mother.
India.
Can you proceed with you?
Okay, so I will tell the definition of a computer. A computer is an electronic device which accepts data and instruction as input, process the data according to the instruction, gives the output, and is also capable of storing the data. And if we use the term storing the data in a mobile, there will be a lot of problem. But in computer, I think 90% there will not be any types of problem. So am I right, Kaushal?
Yes, of course you are right.
Okay, so now can you tell some components of computer?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
The definition of computer itself elucidates four distinct functions of a computer, namely input, processing, output, and storage. Am I right?
Yeah.
And that as a separate unit. Okay?
Yeah.
Unit. Input unit and processing unit, output unit, and storage unit.
Okay.
Can you name some devices used in these units?
Yeah, of course. Input unit, keyboard, mouse. Processing unit, CPU. Output unit, printer, monitor. Storage unit, hard disk and pen drive.
Wow, what a definition you having on technology related things.
Yeah, because I will be researching about technology, getting the videos, getting the tech news. So while researching, we always get some of the success and many knowledge.
Yeah, you are correct.
So
Can
now-
you explain some definitions about the computer related things?
You have taken my mind's thought. I mean, I was thinking that only to talk some basic terms which would help us in understanding the concept related to computer, and you told the same. Okay, so I will tell about data. A collection of facts, observation, or reading is called data. Can I tell one thing?
On which?
Because it's similar to your channel, because at TSR Datapedia Vlog, and
Yes.
yeah, I think you understood.
I'm having a collection of facts and information.
Yeah, because to get many educational and informative videos, we can come to TSR Data, and for technology purpose, come to Naman Tech Media.
Wow, what advertisement on?
Okay, so can you give some information definition?
Yes, of course. I already know about that. The processed form of data, in other words, the inference drawn from the data is called information. Am I right?
Exactly, I have the same definition.
Wow. Can you name some definition
Yeah, of course. The physical components of a computer system are termed as hardwares, like keyboard, the key button, space bar, etc., etc.
Yes.
So, can you tell about software?
Yeah, of course. The set of instructions which tell the computer what to do and how to do is called as software. Am I right?
Yeah, absolutely. I think you will know about operating system, antivirus, same now.
Yeah, that are some examples of softwares.
Yeah, I have the definition. Also, you will know that the computer is famous for some of the characteristics like speed, accuracy, and somewhat you can tell.
Yes, there are many more in this characteristic. Diligence, versatility, enormous storage capacity, okay, enormous storage
Yeah.
capacity, has efficiency.
Actually, efficiency is the main.
Yes,
Because it's okay. We will know some of these characteristics with a very good definition. So we will proceed with Kaushal. Kaushal, can you tell about speed?
yes, of course I will tell because I know. Yes, speed. Computers have an enormous processing speed. The basic unit for measuring the speed is MIPS.
Million
Did you
instruction
know
per
about
second.
MIPS?
Yeah, million instruction per second.
Yeah, correct. The productivity of a computer is analyzed on the basis of its speed only.
Yeah, correct. Now I will tell about accuracy. Another very important characteristic of a computer is the accuracy of a result. It can give the result of very complicated calculation accurately up to say 10 decimal places or more, depending upon the type of computer we can tell that, and within the fraction of a second, because it can easily find out the answer if we add these three things. No, more speed is there. I mean, the calculator more how much the time the calculator takes, the computer does not take that too also. I think you know.
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell about diligency as you told?
Yes. Diligency. Unlike humans, a computer never gets tired. Am I right? Or both doing the same task over and over again?
No, computer never get tired.
Yes. Because it gives the result with the same efficiency and accuracy. Each time the processing takes place only.
Yeah. So also I will tell versatility. I have already made a study on that. Computers are capable of doing varied types of jobs. For example, on your personal computer, you can play games, do mathematical calculation, surf the internet, send the mail, draw the picture, etc. You can make any type of screen recording videos. Am I right?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
We can do these two in mobile because now in this generation the mobile is growing very well. Computer is never touched that. And mobile.
That only I was thinking.
Shall I tell about the enormous storage capacity?
Of course, boss.
What? Okay, leave it. I am the boss only now of my channel.
You tell, yeah, don't waste time.
Computers can store a large amount of information and data in their memory. Am I right?
Of course, bro.
The data can also be stored on external storage devices like CDs, pen drives, which act as additional memory for the computer.
Yeah, because computer can store a lot of things more than the human's brain. We will also forget, but computer can never forget.
Yes.
So I will tell the efficiency. A computer produces high quality and accurate result at a very high speed without much human intervention. Yeah, because if we calculate something, as much the human take times, the computer will never take time. It will have an accurate result.
Yes.
So now we will see some applications of computer. So education, medicine, weather forecasting, defense, governance, entertainment, communication, and e-commerce are many applications which can be done by computers. So we will talk one by one, and please don't forget to subscribe both the channel. Am I right?
Yes.
So let's start with Kaushal. Kaushal, can you tell about education because you are having an education channel?
Yes, of course. I love education and educating. And education, computers are playing a vital role in the field of education.
Yeah.
And uses of multimedia has helped in making lessons and lectures more interesting and interactive.
Yeah, we can see like some educational videos, YouTube channels and all. We will see that how differently they will show the shape. By other YouTube channel, in your YouTube channel itself, how you show the cursor, the shape, the images, very exciting.
Yeah, that and all made in mobile. Don't talk about the mobile we are talking. Sorry.
Oh, I thought you are doing in laptop. Sorry.
Oh, not. Okay, vast amount of information is available on the internet which can be accessed by the teachers and students from any location of the area. So, knowledge is no longer restricted to only books. Am I right?
Yeah, because now e-books are also there, and in this corona period, e-books have played a very important role.
Yes, multimedia and this computer and all. Technology too.
Yeah, so I will tell about medicine.
Yes.
In the field of medicine, computers are used for keeping the medical records of a patient. Most of the technical machines like ECG, X-ray, ventilator, etc. have embedded computers. Computer-based imaging is used to get 2D or 3D view of an internal body organs in an application like MRI and ultrasound, which helps the doctor to diagnose a disease or an injury. We can take the example corona itself, because in this corona period, all the testing reports are recorded in the computer.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, so I think you have lots of knowledge on meteorological department also, because you usually ask to me. So I will ask you to tell about weather forecasting.
Yes. I would like to express my special thanks to you because this I know very well. The data received from the satellites is analyzed by the computers to forecast weather conditions for a particular area. Due to these precise predictions, we have been able to save many lives and property in case of natural calamities like cyclones, tsunamis, earthquakes. Okay, weather forecasting has helped in the field of agriculture too. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. And the farmers can now plan their activities like sowing and reaping, keeping in mind their weather predictions. They know about the weather forecasting their mind itself.
Yeah, because it will help for the growth of the crop.
Yes.
So I will like to say about defense, because I love defense, army, Indian Navy, Air Force mainly. So the computer are used in defense for different purpose. The fighter pilots are given training on the ground using special computer which give a real life flying experience. The missiles are programmed to rotate and hit the target with profound precision. GPS is used to find the location of a squad. Computer are also used for communication and sending coded signal which are difficult to intercept. So only I think I have told in my TED Talks episode 10, because and like this, because in defense also is today dependent on computers code signals and communication. In TED Talks episode 10 I told that on that also say for that safety the government has decided to bring the cyber policy. I think you have saw my video.
Yes, of course. I watched it yesterday only. That is so nice.
Yeah, thank you. But actually, the new cyber policy is actually related to defense one thing. So, can you tell about governance? E-governance.
Yeah, of course, I will tell. Computers have taken off the manual load from the authorities to get a great extent.
Yeah.
Records are kept in the form of electronic data, which makes it updation and retrieval easy and quick. It also helps the departments like income tax, police, CBI, etc. to keep track of the defaulters and criminals.
Yeah, this is the main thing.
Yes, thank you. There are many government portals on the internet where the citizen can pay their taxes and bills online without any hassle of standing in long queues and without delay. They can also request for a government important document safety. They can also apply for any documents.
Yeah, like death certificate, birth certificate, and Aadhaar card, passport.
Yes. Okay. And these documents are safely kept in the DigiLocker. All such facilities result in increased trust of citizen in the working of the government.
Yeah, this is actually the governance has become so very easy from this computer, because if all is online, we do not need to go to government office and we have no need to rotate here and there, because sometimes we need to go there, sometimes there will be some problems. But due to this computer, today that's all easy. Today only take the picture, send to government, tomorrow your Aadhaar card or anything is ready.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can you explain about the entertainment? Because you itself upload some entertainment based videos in your channel.
Yeah. The scope of computer is not only limited to business and research. The advanced technology has changed the way the movies are made, music is recorded, and the games are played. This is actually a very important thing, because while the computer came today, we can easily edit anything. While I and you know, because we are having YouTube channel, so we will edit with sometimes with mobile, sometimes I will edit with my computer.
Yeah.
With advanced graphics and sound card, the quality of graphics has improved, and so the gaming has become high tech. Yeah, we will see in many movies like Robot 2.0 how the graphics has improved, how the video quality is nice. We will also love to make like this video, but there will be some cost, so we will sometime.
Yes.
Animation and special effects in cartoons and advertisement have been possible due to sophisticated hardware and software. Today we can see daily one new cartoon channels are opening. Like we will see in Doraemon and other cartoon channels, how they will make that animational videos. That will be very superb. And now there are new animated software and hardwares are coming. So as written in, as I told.
Yes.
And which has made the advertisement and animation effect cartoons very possible. Because before making cartoon means it was really impossible. It was like mission impossible. But today it has become mission possible due to the computers.
Yes. Technology plays a vital role in this too. Am I right?
Yeah. Technology is really, yeah. Now I think you like to communicate, so I will do the topic communication to you.
Yeah, thank you. The vast contribution of the computers to the society is in the field of communication.
Yeah, of course.
One of the yes, okay, thank you. One of the most important services of internet is email. Am I right?
Yeah. Email is very important.
Email, we can send messages, and the mails can be sent to any part of the world within seconds.
Yeah.
I think this technology plays in this communication.
Yes,
Social networking. Yeah, tell.
Really, because in this corona period, we cannot meet anyone. But today, due to this Google Meet, Zoom meeting, and many meetings has came in computers also, so we can meet everyone virtually.
Yes.
So you can proceed.
Yeah, social networking, video calling, and chatting services have transformed the world of a closely knitted community.
Yeah, because by this computer, it has made all to contact each other. We can easily contact each other and many things, as we saw, as you told.
Because this is a new normal.
Yeah. Now I like to say about e-commerce because I like e-commerce. E-commerce are like Amazon because conducting business and carrying out business transaction electronically using internet is called e-commerce. With increasing the use of mobile computing device like smartphone, laptops and tablets, e-commerce has gained popularity. Many people have started shopping online and a large mass has switched to net banking and mobile banking service rather than going to bank in a person. So actually this is a very important thing because at this time, at this corona period, e-commerce has really got a lots of profit. I have also made the video on profits of Amazon.
Yes. Great Indian Festival only, no?
Yeah, correct. I think you see all my videos.
Because I'm your one of the fan.
Oh, me too. So, okay, Kaushal, we have completed this session with application of computer. Now we are going to see. We will going to see the next session because time has become. So I hope you all have enjoyed and learned lot of things. In part 2, we will know a very exciting video with KSR, and I will come on this live premiere once again at part 2. So be waiting for part 2, and Kaushal, you can give some message.
So in this pandemic situation, we have mobiles, computers to learn many more information.
Yeah.
The technology plays a vital role in this situation. So please keep learning. Don't only follow our channel or don't wait for our videos. Learn many more. We will also upload videos on educational, and Naman will upload technological related, and me too. And I'm not able to tell. So we will meet in the next video. So and that's from bye.
Okay, bye. And I will also give one message to my viewers. As Kaushal told, please don't stop learning because the learning helps a lot. Today also, while making this video, we have learned lot of things. And today, see, you can itself see how fluently we both told. So please be learning. Not only technology means not only Naman's, then there are lots of channels, and for education also lots of channels. So keep learning. Be safe. Be happy. Thank you.